Good morning all. Wishes from my side for the GATE result and hope कि आप सबका GATE पेपर काफी अच्छा हुआ होगा. Today we're gonna discuss about the GATE paper. What is the level of the GATE paper? What is the expected cutoff? And what about the topper? Topper कितने marks रहेंगे? Average question कितने attempt किए? Etc. 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 So first of all, if I discuss about the GATE paper, this year GATE paper of 2016 is not as much easy like GATE 2014 and not as much difficult, or I can say conceptual, like GATE 2015. So it is in the middle. It is in the middle of 2014 and 2015. Some of the questions are very easy, while some of the questions are little lengthy, or I can say little conceptual. If I discuss about the mathematics portion is very easy. It is of 13 marks this year, and all the questions are very easy. You can say just formula putting question. All the questions that we discussed in the class, same example but different statement came in the exam. Very easy. CT इस बार काफी कम आई है, very less. CT is of 4 marks only. Only 3 questions are there. Generally it is of 8 marks. So yeah, CT portion is quite low. And if we discuss about the economics is of 4 marks. 2 questions of 1 mark and 1 question is of 2 marks. So economics is good for having 4 marks weightage throughout, and this year also it is of 4 marks. And if I discuss about the MT, PDC, CRE, HT, all around 7 to 8, 7 to 8, 7 to 8. So level of the questions, like I told to you, that level of the question is not too high. Some of the questions are very easy, like उनको सब स्टूडेंट्स अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं, बड़े आराम से, बड़े प्यार से अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. वेल सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर लिटिल कॉन्सेप्चुअल, जिनमें कि जस्ट फॉर्मूला पुटिंग नहीं है. यू हैव टू थिंक ए लिटिल, एंड आफ्टर द थिंकिंग एंड बिल्डिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स यू कैन सोल्व. सो इफ आई डिस्कस अबाउट द कट ऑफ, so like I told you, questions are easy. So cutoff will increase this year. Cutoff will increase and increase by much as compared to the GATE 2015 paper. So cutoff will be high, and the expected cutoff is over 30. And for me, it will be between 30 to 32. This is the expected cutoff by looking at the level of the paper that was conducted by the IISc Bangalore. Not at all expected that IISc Bangalore will give this kind of paper. But yeah, according to the GATE level and paper level, the expected cutoff will be around 30 to 32. But as I told you, that some of the questions are, yes, conceptual and lengthy also. So it is not easy to attempt all the 65 questions. So topper will not be of 100 marks. Topper will remain as the same. For the topper, the expected marks for me is in the range of 75 to 80. If you are at above 75, you will be in top 10. There is no doubt about that, as some of the questions are good, very good. If we talk about the average question attempted, like if you prepare for GATE seriously and you did well in the exam, the average number of questions that a student can attempt is 40 to 45. You will hear from every second student that भाई कितने क्वेश्चन किए. He will say यार 40 to 45 के अराउंड क्वेश्चन किए है, 40 to 45 के अराउंड क्वेश्चन किए है. As I told you कि 40 questions, 30 to 40 questions are those question की वो हर स्टूडेंट अटेम्प्ट कर सकता है. मतलब जिसने अगर पढ़ा भी है, 1 महीना पहले भी अगर ढंग से पढ़ा है, he can easily attempt around 30 to 40 questions. So this is the average number of question attempted. That's why if you have 50 marks, let's say 50 marks, you will not be in top 250 with the 50 marks. You will be out of 250 if you have 50 marks. But there is a big differentiation above 60 marks. From 60 to 61, 60 to 65, 60 to 70, there is a big differentiation of the rank. But around 50 to 55, there will not be a big differentiation. And if you have 50 marks, your rank will be around 350 or 400 like that. If you want to be in top 100, For that you have to be 60 plus. Minimum 60 plus is required to be in top 100. So this is the average number of question that an average student can attempt in this paper to get a rank of around 300 to 400. And with this rank, yeah, IITs may be possible to get admission into IIT, like IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, Guwahati, Madras, you can attempt. But if you want to be top 100, you need to get minimum 60 plus. With the 60 plus only there is a chance that you will be in top 100. And like I told you about the topper will be around 75 to 80 marks. And then if we discuss about the level I told you already that what is the level of the exam. The level of the exam is not as good as 2015, but not as bad as 2014. So it is a middle paper between the 2014 and the 15. So cutoff will be in the middle and topper marks will be in the middle. Some of the questions are very easy, some of the questions are little lengthier. And paper pattern is like the same. It's multiple choice questions plus numerical. And in the multiple choice questions, nearly all the questions are conceptual. All the questions are conceptual. As in this year, calculators are not allowed. So IISc Bangalore ने इसका ध्यान रखा है कि calculators अगर allowed नहीं है, so large calculation will not be there. And that's why there is not large calculation. Simple calculation is there in all these questions, in all the 65 questions. And 1 mark question and some of 2 marks question are conceptual. Just you read the question, if you know the concept, you can tick. So very, very easy. But in the numerical type, yeah. In the numerical type, there are numericals that require calculation. But again, that calculation is not very tough. बहुत टफ कैलकुलेशन नहीं थी, बहुत इजी कैलकुलेशन थी. दैट मीन्स बाय द यूज ऑफ वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर यू कैन इजीली सोल्व. और इतना ज्यादा वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर का यूज भी नहीं था हर क्वेश्चन में, बहुत ही कम क्वेश्चंस थे जिनमें कि अच्छा खासा वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर का यूज था. सो पेपर पैटर्न इज आई फ्रॉम माई साइड इज टोटली कॉन्सेप्चुअल प्लस सम न्यूमेरिकल्स. एंड कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस दैट आर गिवन इज वेरी इजी. जस्ट टू रीड द क्वेश्चन, इफ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट यू कैन टिक. सो very, very easy paper if I say about the conceptual questions. And if I discuss about the R teaching pattern, so nearly around all the questions that we discussed in the class come in the GATE exam, nearly all the questions. So yeah, paper is almost similar. To what we teach in class. All the questions that we discussed and mainly our test series, all the similar questions that we generated, those questions are nearly the same. So in all, it's a good paper, not very easy, not very difficult. It's a good paper, but the level should be much more difficult. इससे थोड़ा मुश्किल होना चाहिए था. But yeah, by looking at this paper, it's a good paper, I can say. Not like 2014, but it's a good paper. Cutoff will rise, topper marks will remain the same, but number of the questions attempted increases. So at 50 to 55 marks, we will not be in top 200. That's all. Thank you.